Hi guys, I'm Shay and welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is my boyfriend has got the new iPhone 11. So what he's going to be doing is the unboxing. So you're not really going to be seeing us that much, but I just thought I'll just pop in to do an intro. So yeah, so just get on to the video. That works.
This up nicely.
Just mash up the wall back. Okay, stay in frame. So it opens up like that. Oh wow. So it's is it gold or rose gold?
Gold.
How come you got a power pack?
Because they send that to me for the weight.
Oh, so you got a power pack. Wait, focus. Yeah, power pack for waiting. Look at that vision-ness. Can I borrow this to go Turkey? Oh, I ate one. Can I borrow it? I'm being dead serious. Can I borrow it?
Yeah, you can borrow it.
Alright, so no, wait. It's gotta be satisfying. I like to watch these videos. Okay, so there's the box. Okay, perfect. And there's the tab thing. Go on, have fun. Yeah. Just peeling it from the side so you can. Ta-da! There's the phone in its rose gold glory. Where's my phone? Couldn't compare it. What's it?
You're mashing on the palm pack already.
Yeah. So here's my rose gold. So sorry, it's very reflective. I think mine's a little bit more reflective than yours.
Yeah.
Mine's more reflective. Mine is the iPhone 10 10 Max, whatever. Yeah, I wanted to do an unboxing, but this is what I used to film on, so I couldn't. So yeah, but that's it. Shiny. Still looks pretty brand new. There we go. And this one's Jordan's. The 3 camera thing. We ain't gonna be giving you like no specs and stuff. You can go and watch a tech video. Like this is just if you find it satisfying. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. So it says designed by Apple and whatever in California or whatever. This got the little thing with all the details and the stickers thing on there. So they still give those stickers things. Got earphones. The earphones are still just the regular ones with the cord. He's got AirPods, not the newest ones, the 2nd gen before this one that came out. So yeah, so there's these. They should really include AirPods for how much they want you to pay for our iPhone. They should really. And here is the plug. It looks really different. You wanna? Yeah. It's yours. You wanna do it? You can undo it and stuff. I just don't wanna get rid of all the spectacle by doing it for you.
So I think this is the new.
So how do you pop it out? Unnecessary, but unnecessary iPhone. There's a lot of other features we wanted other than. I don't think anyone ever complained about the plug, to be honest.
I think it gives you faster charging.
Oh, okay. Alright, so there you go. Undo this.
You talk artist.
Okay, so this one, I think it's still lightning cable, but it's got a, I think this is a port C adapter. I'm just trying to remember all the tech videos I watched for my phone. But that's what they complained about last time. But it seems like they're still using a lightning cable, but they added, so this part is USB-C. So yeah.
So you can plug it into the new iMacs and
What are you talking about?
the laptops.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the Apple laptops.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if that end plugs into here.
No, it's this end.
So it's still lightning.
Yeah.
It's still lightning. They are refusing to change from lightning. Yep, still lightning.
But it gives you faster charge.
But yeah, you want to peel off the lid on this. Do it close. Satisfying. Shiny. Okay, you want to do the back? Oh, you turning it on.
Yeah, there is no back on.
Oh, there's none on the back?
No.
Oh, the way it looked matte at the back, I thought something was at the back. Oh, so they just decided to matte out this. They made it matte for the iPhone 11. So it's, I don't remember if they called this rose gold last year. I can't remember. I think I prefer it shiny, you know. No offense. Hi, hello, hey. So that's that. It's on. No, I don't seem so good. Maybe so I didn't. So, show them. So he's setting it up. Yeah. So that's our upgrade from the iPhone 6, is it? What iPhone's that?
iPhone 7.
iPhone 7 to the iPhone 11.
Yeah.
Okay, when I upgraded, mine was from the iPhone 6 to the iPhone 10. Okay, so we're gonna just end it there because he's getting into setting up his phone and he's not really showing you guys anything, so might as well just end the video here. I know it's gonna be short. It's just if people like to watch these type of videos. If you don't, that's fine. You can check out some of my other videos. I do clothing cores, I do videos with Jordan which are like clothing rating and like other stuff. So I'll link some of my videos here, so check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay.
Like, comment and
It's a
subscribe.
bit late now.